All right. Okay, so these look pretty equal, but it's pretty close. Anyway, the air on the two sides is definitely there. All right, where's my caliper at? About 128 thou and 150 is only 25 thou difference. So, and that's assuming these are welded equally, which I would never say Harley does anything equally. So, my guess is a little bit on both sides is probably required to do it, but definitely more on this side. If I had a nice big C-clamp, I can tighten that up there from his side to this side. And that would work. Otherwise I got to beat on it with a big hammer. So I got to come through the whole thing. Now I brought my big punch with me for beating out wheel bearings. Right here. And this looks like it's too big to go through also. Yeah, that's not going to fit. Alright, so that means you're going to have to beat on probably a 3/8 extension, a big long one. You could probably do that. Put a block right here and beat on the extension, pop it through. That'd be one way of doing it. Otherwise you have a big C-clamp that comes across here and you put a plate right here and squeeze on it. It's probably a better way of doing it. Okay, is that going to fall off? Probably. Put that down there so I don't drop it on the floor and have to fix it again. Okay, I think we got some clamps right here, but these are not the caliber of this, what I'm looking for. Yeah, look what I found here. Torque Master. It's just like the one I got at home. He must have gone hunting for that on eBay and found one. Okay, let's see. Clamps. I don't see C-clamps. Nope. He likes to sit down on the job. I don't know how you work sitting down on your butt all day. I can't work sitting down. So we need a long bolt or a C-clamp of some type. I'm not seeing really either. Alright. These have the metal in that we beat on. 3/8 extensions over there. We use his, not mine. Let's see what we got around here we can beat on. Gotta be something around here to beat that tar on. Yeah. Not seeing it. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Hammer department. Piece of metal. Big hammer. Ball peen hammer. Ah, C-clamp. Not a very strong one, but there's another one in there. Oh, that's a tire run. Okay, we got option A, option B. C-clamp, or we got a punch and a couple of hammers. All right. Kind of a lightweight duty deal, but it might work. All right, let's see if we can make that fly. One way or the other, we gotta do something here. Give me a measurement so I know if I'm doing anything or not. We're just over 250, just under 250. So we need 275 on both sides and we should be good. Alright, so something going here across the top. Bigger might be better. That'll work. Squeeze the piss out of it and see what happens. It's just squeezing on the bearing height, I don't want to do it also. But it is what it is. Hard on your fingers. Ah, damn, that's hard on my fingers. Sprinkle bearings is going like this, so that could be some of my issues. The alignment. They just might have been bowed out a little bit, but hard to tell. Jeez, this is going to be a pain in the butt. No, we know we had to bolt to it, so we know it was centered. That is a known issue. $50. It's 20 thou difference, but I don't think I need it. I think that's just playing the mechanism. This is not developing enough pressure to do what I need to do. bigger C-clamp. A lot bigger. It's too damn light duty. Yeah. I'm just bending the clamps, all I'm doing. That ain't gonna work. That clamp is too little to do anything. Not even close to what is needed. $250. No movement. All right, so that didn't work. What's my gap in here? Around 457. That's the height of this. More, quite a bit more. 493, so I need 50 thou like I figured. That sucks. So what are we gonna do here? Need bigger tools, that's what we need. Put a piece of 1/2 inch hole, feel like I can stick it between the bearing with 2 big flange nuts, just loosen the nuts, tighten the nuts that way and spread it right apart. Worked great. Don't have that here. And tomorrow is Sunday, so not exactly a good day to find tools. That pretty much just leaves beating on it with a hammer, which I don't really want to do, but it's about the only option we have, which is a bad option. Sucks. It all sucks. Don't want to beat on new bearings. Of course, all thing we're doing is going to be pushing the bearing no matter what I do. We're pushing on the bearing. Not the outside, the inside. Yep. As I recall. Yep. Alright. Beaten is what it's going to be. Problem with beating it is these all have holes in them already, which are probably smaller than the rod I'm beating on, so that doesn't work too good either. I still need something to beat with. Everything's a problem. All right, I can figure this out.